Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Menteri Katanat Kakoi Kakia Jong Sorkar Jylla ba Ïatreilang ha ka laitrik ubna jembang arjar arpuway ula ong ba Sorkar kme bat Sorkar Jylla kidai ba Ïatreilang nakabenta ban penyo ya kitika dawai COVID-19 ban yada yikipat ba nakani ka jingpang ka ba postet habaro ka wai keri India. Katkum ka jingong jong uba Ïatreilang kamsyong tangha ka Sorkar kami ban sam ya kitika dawai COVID-19 hanre kadon kam ya kajing Ïatreilang bat ki Sorkar Jylla lembat ka Sorkar kami nakabenta ban penbiang ya ketika dawai habaro ki Jylla jong kari India. Uba Ïatreilang ula penparu ba menta ka kenti kipat ba kila kamsyam pang halor kumno ban bot ya ki kindon balaptha da katanat ka koi kakya kanang ban yada na kajing pang COVID-19.
Very complex to tell you. There are so many comorbidities. This is not direct only COVID. Okay, there are so many elements which is already there in the patients, COVID patients. So for that, maybe the reasons I will not be able to tell you for which reason these people are dying. So there are so many reasons are there. So the government is doing all out, right from day one and beginning, to protect the life of precious life of people. They have been doing this. This is not that we do have or we do not. We have been doing this. All the doctors, the frontline workers, the health workers, they are there in the duty to ensure the safety and the life of the people. If you talk about maybe 10 days before, people are taking lightly, I also agree with you. But now you see, people are really protected. They are taking very seriously now. Anywhere you go in the market, they are maintaining the protocol, they are wearing masks. Now everybody is serious and also everybody are cooperating with the government protocol. It is responsibility of the government, whether it is the state government or the central government. It is our collective responsibility that we as a government and also as the leader, all the leaders, it is our responsibility to ensure our collective responsibility for the safety and the life of the people. It is a collective responsibility. The state government, the central government, it is our duty. It is a bonded duty that we should ensure that we should have sufficient vaccines to protect the life of the people.